folks, today on a Sunday I'm going to take a walk over. My truck is still sitting in Mr. B's shop waiting for the adjuster to come over. I got a couple of you guys asked me to check it out to see what happens. So I'm going to walk across the street, show you my establishment. Here's my shop. Trying to clean up a little bit. I got Miss Mossy here. We just got done surfing. There's Miss Mossy. And let's walk over to see Mr. B. He's my auto mechanic. He takes care of all my stuff. So we're gonna give him, he just showed up on a Sunday. He's a god. And we're gonna give him a minute to get open. So, but yeah, what happened was my truck was running like crap, and it's my empty van. So what I did was I wanted to get it ready for the summer because we have a couple big jobs coming up, and I wanted to, you know, get it tuned up, whatever. And Mr. B tells me the fuel injectors are acting up, so I said, all right, let's fix it up and make it dependable. So again, like I was saying, I was in the firehouse Thursday for 24 hours, and long story short, we get the call that there's a garage fire, 2908 at Fairmont, and this is 2410. So I'm like, you know, how many times addresses come in wrong? So I called Mr. B, only because I know they're here. I said, Mr. B, is my shop on fire? He's like, no. But your van is inside my shop. I'm like, oh man. He goes, we got it out. The fire department's cleaning it up. Oh, excuse me. The fire department's cleaning it up, and we got it, you know, mitigated. Thank God Anthony was there with the CO2 and knocked it down pretty quickly. But I'm gonna take a walk over now. I should be able to get in there now. So let's take a walk over and see what happens. So that's the story. I could have been on my own van fire, but out of my district. Let's walk across the street. Hi, puppy. Miss Marcy's waiting for me patiently. Say hi, Miss Marcy. World famous Mr. B. This guy is a total legend. We're gonna say hi to Katie. Katie. Hi, Katie. That's Katie. Say hello, Katie.
Man, it's 24.
Here's my baby.
We have 5 doors open. Man, 2409.
So this is it. We're lucky it didn't burn down the shop. What?
Man, 2409 Fairmont.
Oh, don't get hurt.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Look to the address.
Something in the engine. Anyway, she's toast.
Georgia Fairmont.
Oh yeah, she rolled up the side too, huh? Nice. You all right, bro?
Okay, so you don't shoot the shot. So why are you calling me? Okay,
Hi, Katie. Say hello.
See Anthony.
You don't mind if I do this, do you?
See Anthony?
Oh, he's running,
Okay,
yeah.
but this is 1 second. I
Okay.
get you how he see it.
Okay,
I get you how he see it. Okay. I get it. See, he's in the office.
okay. Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Okay.
And you have no camera in that bay.
No,
Okay.
no, this is.
Oh, so he's in there talking and it's going
Yeah,
on
he's
right.
in the office.
He's
And
going. It's going on right now.
yeah, it's going on. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
See, he's gonna go to work in the expedition because that's where
Right.
what he was doing.
He walks in and then
He
he's,
walked in.
he's gonna come in here right now, right?
Yeah.
Boom. Wow. I like the cameras in the shop, man.
See, Anthony, he
Right.
didn't realize.
Right.
Okay. This is a tank I thought is catch fire.
Right. Okay.
That tanker was full of gas.
Okay.
See now?
Now he's walking over.
Look.
Then he sees it any second. Oh, he's on the phone. Okay. Phone's ringing. Beep, beep, beep. Meanwhile, I'm at the firehouse listening. Listen, man, lucky he had the CO2 close by. Right, he did most of the knockdown, right?
He's the one here.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, now he's. Oh, look at the flames.
See how flame?
Oh, yeah.
All the sudden, see it?
Yeah.
See?
Oh, dude, he saved the day.
Yeah.
Go ahead, dog.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now the whole shop, it's
Full of the white stuff.
yeah.
Jeez. He's lucky he didn't get burnt.
See? No, he just did it and
Yeah. Wow. Now it's still going a little
See?
bit. Yeah. Phew.
Look at that. Look at this.
This is. I appreciate you showing me this footage because the folks out there be like,
Yes,
oh,
the other
yeah, he went.
Nobody was working in the film.
Yeah.
Everybody was fucking sitting.
Oh man. That smoke is so bad for you,
Yeah.
man. It's a black rubber, you know. All that plastic. Oh.
With the plastic, yeah.
Do you see the fireman come in?
Yeah.
Oh, now it's banking. Now it's banking down.
Yeah, I want to get to the other.
Oh, there's Chief's car. Now these guys came from my station. These guys came from station 6, ladder 2. And then engine 2 is probably coming right down the street.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now it's banking out the front doors. Yeah. Okay. Matter of fact, that was the inspector's car that was out front. He actually called it in. Out there's
he was here for something.
Right, that's Alex. He's called
now front of the shop.
Yeah, wow. Oh yeah.
It's like half an hour. I have a lady from the press. She said, "My name is so I'm from Atlantic City Press. I heard you guys have fire." I said, "No, ma'am, we didn't have nothing. It was just little things." Oh, really? I said, "Yes."
Yeah. Oh, here comes engine 2 now. They're the boys right there.
Yeah. Sweet.
Well, now the smoke's kind of knocked down. You can see it simmering down.
Okay.
There's my new van. Hey, stop.
Just give me 4 numbers, sir. And what is it?
There go the boys right
Okay,
there.
well, I can't do anything without the key.
Oh man, you know I'm so glad your shop didn't catch fire, man.
You
know, thank God Anthony was right there.
Yeah, thank God not you know, thank God it wasn't in your shop. Thank God it wasn't.
Katie, you be good. All right, you saved the day. The world famous Katie. Mr. B, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll talk to you, man.
Okay, sir.
Have a good day. Well, there you have it. Mr. B was kind enough to show me the security film. Again, Anthony is the man, and luckily his shop and nobody got hurt, especially Anthony. So with that, we're gonna call it a wrap and get a new van. Well overdue anyway. So again, only a 2006 van, and I'm not even worried about it. My tools are all in the other van, thankfully. And besides, Marcy,
Bye.
are you shopping for a new van right now?
Yeah. Walking.
All right, guys. Appreciate your concern. We'll see you at the next one.